also known as Kim Namjoon, is a member of the South Korean boy band BTS, Bangtan Boys, which is one of the most popular and successful K-pop groups globally. Keep in mind that information may have changed since my last update, so I'll provide an overview of RM's lifestyle up to that point. RM is known for his leadership role in BTS, often acting as the group's spokesperson and representing them in various interviews and public appearances. Here are some aspects of RM's lifestyle up to 2021. Music and career. RM is heavily involved in BTS's music production and songwriting. He has contributed to writing lyrics for many of their songs, often exploring themes of self-reflection, societal issues, and personal growth. Fashion and style. RM is known for his unique fashion sense and style, often incorporating streetwear and bold choices into his outfits. He has also been recognized in the fashion industry and has attended various fashion events. Philanthropy and social causes. RM and BTS, in general, have been involved in various philanthropic activities. They have made donations to causes such as education, child welfare, and disaster relief, showcasing their commitment to giving back to society. Healthy lifestyle. As an idol and performer, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is important. This includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest to keep up with the demands of their busy schedules. Education and intellectual interests. RM has a strong passion for learning and education. He has often encouraged fans and fellow members to pursue knowledge and personal growth. He is known for his love of literature and often recommends books to fans. Privacy and personal life. BTS members, including RM, value their privacy, and they typically keep their personal lives private. Fans respect their boundaries and focus on supporting their music and public activities. BTS member RM, born Kim Namjoon, epitomizes a multifaceted lifestyle at the intersection of artistry, intellect, and social consciousness. Renowned for his musical prowess, RM plays a pivotal role in BTS's music production and songwriting, delving into thought-provoking themes. His style and fashion choices exhibit an eclectic and innovative flair, reflecting his unique personality. Beyond the spotlight, RM advocates for social causes and philanthropy, demonstrating a commitment to making a positive impact on the world. Nurturing a healthy lifestyle is paramount to RM, enabling him to navigate the demands of the entertainment industry while still valuing privacy and personal growth. Embodying a balanced blend of creativity, empathy, and dedication, RM stands as a symbol of inspiration for many. RM began rapping in amateur hip-hop circles in 2007 and participated in his first concert a year later. He released several songs under the name Launch Randa before joining Big Hit Entertainment in 2010. RM trained for 3 years with fellow rappers Min Yoon Gi and Yoon Ho Suk, who later became known as Suga and J-Hope respectively. BTS debuted on June 13, 2013, with the release of the single album Too Cool for School. RM wrote and produced the majority of the songs on BTS's early albums, and he has continued to be a major contributor to the group's music. He has also released 2 solo mixtapes, RM in 2015 and Mono in 2018. Mono became